Good morning, Miss A here, and welcome to your final exam. You are going to start out filling in this graphic organizer. So you will slide these into place using this text that we read a couple of months ago. Remember that you do have the read aloud.
Semester 2.
So if you'd like to use that, you're welcome to. Here, you're going to drag and drop. Once again, you can use your read aloud. You have 1, 2, 3 multiple choice questions from your chapter 1 of Born a Crime. Here, you're going to drag and drop the events of chapter 1 of Born a Crime in order from first to last. Here, you will answer the question, how is Patricia Noah bold? You will type your answer here using this sentence frame. Here, you will complete this sentence frame and you record yourself. So remember, you're going to push the red button. Here is your Nearpod one-pager project. So you want to maximize with this button, put your name in. So what you're going to do is fill in these sentence frames. You'll choose a word to go with each sentence frame, and then you will add pictures. Your tools are down here. When you're done, minimize and submit. Then you'll go to review, make sure you've answered everything, and click finish, and you will be done with your exam. So good luck, and I look forward to seeing you next semester.